Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Caddy. It's a panel van, it's a Highline model, it's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 18 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the van. To the front of the van, you will notice it's fitted with halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice fog lamps. In the centre grille, you'll notice a nice chrome strip. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van, you will notice that this van is fitted with 15-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. On both sides of the van, you will notice door mouldings. The mirror caps and door handles on this van are painted in body colour. Moving away from the van, you'll notice that this van is fitted with a near side sliding door. I've now opened the near side sliding door so you can see the load area. To the back of the front seats, you will notice a bulkhead. At the back of the van, you will notice that it's fully wood ply lined, including the floor. To the back of the van, you'll notice it's fitted with rear doors with windows and also rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will notice rear parking sensors. Moving up, you'll notice that it's fitted with standard rear tail lights. You'll also notice the VW badging on the both rear doors. I've now opened the rear doors so you can see inside the load area. As you can see, the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors come with these door release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This Caddy is painted in Indium Grey, which is a popular colour in the fan range. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors come with some handy storage. Moving across the dash, you will notice some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice a mesh bulkhead for extra vision whilst driving. This Caddy comes with 2 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. I've now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also the centre media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you'll notice electric window controls. Here we have the mirror controls. This van is also fitted with auto headlights. Here we have the media controls to this side of the steering wheel, and on this side you'll notice cruise control. This Caddy has low miles of 1,724 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change the settings on the instrument cluster. Now I'm going into the audio, so I can change the radio station. Here we have the heater controls. This Caddy is fitted with a heated front screen. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 4-speed fan motor. Here we have the direction of the heat switch. This Caddy is also fitted with a 6.3 colour touchscreen multimedia system with DAB radio. Next, I would like to show you the media settings on this system. Here we have a CD player, which you'll find here. It's also fitted with 2 SD card readers, one here and one here. It's also fitted with a USB port and an AUX port, which you'll find down here. This Caddy is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. This system is also fitted with satellite navigation. It's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can move the map around, as you can see. You can also find your ideal location. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, this system is fitted with Park Pilot technology for your reverse parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Caddy panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more details on this used approved 18 plate Caddy, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video around the van. The salesperson will also be able to book you a test drive, and they'll also be able to talk to you about any flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.